dragons, manta rays and epic island viewpoints. Welcome to Komodo National Park. When you think about traveling around Indonesia, your mind immediately heads to Bali. But how about exploring a bit more of what Indonesia has to offer? I headed to the Komodo National Park with a crew of TruTravels and spent 10 days sailing around this amazing part of Indonesia. There were Komodo dragons, pink beaches, incredible island lookouts, and we even went scuba diving with manta rays. So if you're keen to check out more of what Indonesia has to offer, here's what we got up to. As you can see, Komodo is full of incredible adventures. Now, if I've inspired you to head to Komodo National Park on your next trip to Indonesia, check out the links in the description for my full written blog guide so you can plan your perfect adventure. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next week. You!